Hello everyone. Take your hair tight in the form of a rubber band, then insert it inwards and pass it through the gaps of another part. Make plaits out of all the four parts. Roll the plaits upwards and then when you are almost done, insert it and secure it with the help of a bobby pin. Cover the leftover shaded part with a back pin. Take your hair tied in the form of a small lower chuda and with a ponytail. Take it and secure it properly with a 5-legged Juda pin. Then secure it tightly with a bobby pin just as shown in the video. Take your hair tied in the form of a lower ponytail, then take the ponytail above and tie it beyond, then carefully secure it with a 5-legged back pin or a Juda pin. Take your hair, then tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Take the lower part of the ponytail again and then carefully insert it from the above. Then take the lower part, tie it again with a rubber band and then secure it properly with a back pin or a rubber band as shown in the video. The last process is to give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair from all the sides of the corners of the hair. Take your hair tight with a rubber band. You can decorate it as per your wish. Then carefully insert it through the gap of the above part. Take the lower part, tie it again with a rubber band. Roll it upwards, then secure it tightly with a 5-legged chuda pin or a back pin. Take your hair, loosen it and make it look like a lower ponytail. Take the above part, tie it with a rubber band, roll it inwards and give it a thicker look. You are done. Take your hair tight in the form of a lower ponytail. It should be loose. Then make a gap. Carefully insert that ponytail through the gap. Hold all the hair together tightly and then tie it with a rubber band just as shown in the video. It should be very loose so that your hair looks consistent all the while. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, tie a ponytail, make a simple plaits out of that ponytail, roll it beyond and then clutch it properly with a Juda clutcher just as shown. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Insert the lower part from beyond and to the above part. Tie the lower part again with a ponytail rubber band. Then clutch the upper part together with a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then take a Juda pin and with the help of one side of the Juda pin, roll your hair upwards and then carefully secure your hair properly. Thanks for watching.